Hi guys, welcome back to Asedoskitchen. If you're new here, you're welcome. Before I continue with today's video, I would like to take this opportunity to thank all my returning subscribers for your continued support. Today's recipe is something I tried out for the first time and my family loved it. This was more of an experiment as it isn't something I usually make. It turned out way better than I expected, hence the reason you are watching it now. It was good enough for me to want to make it more often, so I'm excited to share this with you. The ingredients needed for this recipe are onion, tomato, red cabbage, carrot, chicken, coriander powder, vegetable stock powder, cooking oil, black pepper and salt. I prepared all my ingredients before I started cooking because I will be moving quickly once I start cooking. I heat roughly 2 to 3 tablespoons of canola oil. Then I add my chicken, which I stir until the chicken is slightly browned and it is not too soggy. You don't have to cook it too long because chicken does not take too long to cook. You will know it's ready once you don't see any pink parts in the chicken. While doing this, I season the chicken with some salt and black pepper. Once the chicken is ready, I remove it and set it aside in a clean plate. Do not use the same plate that had the chicken before you started cooking. This is to avoid any cross-contamination and salmonella poisoning. Always use a clean plate. This might be obvious for most of you, but I will leave it here just in case because it may help someone somewhere. In the same pan, using the same oil, I add the onions and slightly saute them. Then I add the tomatoes and cook for another minute or two. I now add coriander powder and a bit of water and let it cook until the tomatoes soften. At this point, I add the red cabbage. I mix the cabbage until it softens but not fully cooked. This should take about a minute or two. I add the vegetable stock powder. At this point, I add the carrots and stir for a minute. Then I cook it covered for another minute before adding the chicken. I now add the chicken and mix it to combine. This should take another minute, after which you turn off the heat and serve it with your preferred staple. I served it with rice, but it can also be served with bread rolls, ugali or chapati. If you have any questions, comments or suggestions to make, please do so in the comment section below. Do you eat red cabbage? If the answer is yes, please share how you prepare yours in the comments section as well. And if you like this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up and share it so we can spread the love. For more recipes of this nature, remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. This is all I have for you today. Thanks for watching, and until next time, bye bye.